Here we have a 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. It's 1 horsepower, 115 volt. It's unused. It's in very good condition. And we're just going to fire it up and show you that it does operate. The pulley here, or actually the pulley shaft, is just very, very slightly bent. Okay, and it's causing it to wobble a little bit. It definitely this belt needs adjustment, and the pulleys need adjustment, as well as the motor mount. Other than that, it runs really good. I'm going to turn it on. Has hydraulic down feed. See, it just wobbles just very slightly. So it's got a hydraulic down feed. And as it comes down, this red metal tab here hits the on-off switch. And we check the coolant pump. The coolant pump does operate very nicely. So it just needs some minor adjustments. Let me check the vise on here. Everything works. And it does include the pulley and belt guard. It has 4 casters, 2 axles, a material stop, and your instruction and parts manual. And we thank you for looking at our